So in fuse assembly, you have two types. This fuse assembly is also meant for 608. The number is RM2 6799. 799. So this is a fuser. Bring out that one. Check out this one. This is another fuser assembly. This is also for 608, but the number is RM2 1257. 1257. Okay, it fits into this printer LaserJet Enterprise M608, but this one can't fit in. If you put in this one, you get that error. It can't close properly. Okay, let's try it. So put this. Okay, you see the problem? Close it. No, close it properly. See, that's difficult closing, but you can still push it in and it will seem as if it has closed, but you observe this, there's a gap here, and when you move to the back, it will ask you to close standard door, rear door, and there's no way you can close standard rear door and it will close comfortably. So this type of fuse assembly is not meant for this printer. You must get the exact one, RM2 1257. Thank you, bye.